Hello, parin Danny, si Noel Victoria, San Jose, California. Mabati sa iyo ng isang maligayang kaarawan. At sana marami pang masasayang araw na kagaya nito ang dumating sa buhay mo. Anyway, regards ulit at sensya ka na dito sa maliit na video na gawa ko dahil wala na akong maisip eh. And it's a surprise, not sure if it really a surprise to you, but I gathered all these pictures from our batch 79 Yahoo group. At sensya ka na. At meron ako isang babasahin dito na isang poem mula sa isang Joanna Fush tungkol sa isang birthday blessing. Instead of counting candles or tallying the years, contemplate your blessings now as your birthday nears. Consider special people who love you and who care, and others who enrich your life just by being there. Think about the memories passing years can never mar. Experiences great and small that have made you who you are. Another year is a happy gift. So cut your cake and say, instead of counting birthdays, I count blessings every day. Alright, Parin Danny, thank you and have fun on this special day of yours. Bye.
I believe in dreams, and I believe in miracles. I believe that toy balloons can reach and touch the moon. I don't have the courage and the will to say the words, but I can feel that what's inside me is for real. Oh, and I know someday I'll have the chance to prove and say 3 simple words will come your way. I know I'll have a chance someday. Chance for me to say that I love you. Oh, I love you. Yes, I love you.